We're going to explain how to open a TXT file in Excel. It's simpler than you might think. There are a couple of ways to do this, and we'll cover both. 1. The direct method. The easiest way is to simply open Excel, then use the Open function. Go to the File tab or Office button, depending on your Excel version, click Open, and navigate to the folder containing your TXT file. Select your TXT file and click Open. Excel will usually automatically try to import the data. If your TXT file uses a delimiter like a comma, CSV, or tab to separate the values, Excel will often recognize this and import it into a spreadsheet neatly, with each value in its own cell. If your data is all in one column, it'll be imported as such. 2. Dealing with delimiters. If your TXT file uses a delimiter, like a comma, tab, or semicolon, to separate values, Excel will usually detect it automatically. However, if it doesn't, or if you want more control over the import, you can choose the delimiter manually after opening the file. Once you open the TXT file, Excel will present a text import wizard window. This wizard guides you through the import process. Select the delimiter used in your file, comma, tab, semicolon, or other, and then review how Excel interprets the data. You can preview the data and adjust settings like column data types before confirming. 3. Handling unformatted text. If your TXT file doesn't use delimiters and is just a large block of text, it will be imported into a single cell. To separate it, you might need to use Excel's text functions like left, right, mid, or find to extract portions of the text and put them into separate cells. You can also use the Text to Columns feature found under the Data tab to split the text based on specific characters or fixed widths. This is helpful for structuring data from a text-heavy file. 4. Saving your work. Remember to save your Excel file after importing the data. Choose a suitable file type, like .xlsx or .xlsm, depending on your needs. It's also a good idea to give your Excel file a descriptive name to easily identify it later. In short, opening a TXT file in Excel is usually a straightforward process of using the Open function. However, understanding delimiters and the text import wizard will help you manage files with more complex structures. Knowing how to use the Text to Columns feature can also greatly assist in handling unstructured text within your newly imported files. Remember to save your work to avoid losing your progress.